Hello YouTube, what's up? It's Jackintosh7 and today I will be giving you guys a tutorial on how to make a custom iPhone or iOS app icon. So if you're building an app, this will be for you. So, or if you just want to do it for fun, you can do that for fun too. No one's stopping you. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to be doing this in Photoshop. You can do this in almost any other program. You can use Pixelmator, you can use Adobe Illustrator, and you can use that artboard thing. This one's okay, artboard's okay, but I have to them as trials because I'm just trying them out, so yeah. Alright, so first off, we're going to go to File, New, and we're going to make a new thingy. We're going to make a new document, and make sure you had the units of measurement to pixels, and you're going to have the width to 57, the height to 57, the resolution to 72, and make sure everything else is the same. Make sure this is transparent, that's important, name it what you want. So I'll do tutorial. Alright, so that's all you really need to do. Now this is very small, so we're going to zoom in. Alright, now what you're going to want to do is, most people take a rounded, go to the shape tool and take a rounded rectangle and they go like this, and they're like, look, it's an app. But we're not going to do that. What I'm going to do is, we are actually going to just forget about the rounded thing. That's last. It actually does it for us. So we're gonna maybe add a gradient. So just do what you like. I'm gonna do this. That looks cool. And then I'm gonna add a check mark. It's gonna be basically something very simple. Phone's ringing. And my thing just shut off. Hold on. My monitor just shut off. What? No, don't do this. Why did you shut off? Ah, there we go. Sorry about that, my monitor shut off. And what we're going to do is, I'm gonna go to the custom shape tool, but from here you can do whatever you want. Like whatever you want. So you can keep adding more gradients and shapes and stuff, but I'm not gonna do that. But it's up to you. You can do whatever you want. So I'm just really showing you the basic stuff here. So when you zoom in, you notice how you get all the squares and stuff. Don't worry about that. That's just the individual pixels. So now what we're going to do is, I'm going to add that custom shape. Mine's going to be a check mark. Yours can be anything you want, you know. I have to figure out how to add it. Oh yeah, custom shape. Shape check mark. Alright, then over here, this is your color. So say you want to change the colors. I think a white one would look good. So we'll add white, and then you just draw like this, like that, and then I'm going to move this kind of centered, and I'm going to zoom out to see how that looks. So, oops, zoom out. I think that looks actually very good. So now what we're going to do is, once you have it the way you want, because I'm not going to give you guys a whole tutorial on just making art, because that would be ridiculously long, because there's so many options you can do. Then you can fill this with a gradient, but I'm not going to do that because that's complicated. You can paint this, you can make everything different colors, you can add more lines, more check marks and stuff. You can have, yeah, you can do almost anything. It's Photoshop. So if you go with Photoshop, then you're good. So this is just how to make an app. I'm not doing any crazy art. Alright, so then what you're going to want to do is, you're going to go to File, and you're going to hit Save As. We're going to save it to our desktop, and I'm going to name it Tutorial, and you're going to have to name it as a PNG. So if you don't see it here, well, you should see it here. What we're going to do is make sure you save it as a PNG, because it will not work. So I'm going to hit OK. Just going to create that. If it's not a PNG, it won't work. Alright, if it's a JPEG, it won't work. Alright, it has to be PNG. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. It looks very nice. So now what we're going to do is probably like, alright, I made it, so now what do I do? I'm gonna go to Xcode, and this is my icon. Alright, don't laugh, this one was my first icon, it's very bad. And what we're going to do is I'm going to select the icon and hit show file, select file. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go to your desktop, or where you saved it, and then choose the file. Then hit choose, and then there you go. Here it is. So I'm going to delete this. Alrighty, so as you can see, I'm going to delete this too. We have our check mark. Now this is our app icon. So what we can do now is we can make it for a Retina display. It shouldn't really be the same size. It's not even gonna work because it has to be 114 pixels. So if you want a Retina display, it has to be 114 by 114 pixels. But if you want the regular icon, it's just gonna be 57 by 57. So yeah, that's how you get it. And then once you build everything, open up iOS device. My app doesn't do anything yet, but their icon should be replaced, but I didn't have that do it yet, so yeah. So that's really it, guys. It's really simple. I know a lot of people are having trouble with it, and now you're probably like, wait a minute, where's my rounded edges? I'll show you. They are round. Alright, don't worry, they are round. So don't worry about that, they are round and it will work fine. Alrighty, so now my next tutorial for Xcode and app building is going to be how to work on your launch images. So this is just going to teach you how to make launch images. And yeah, don't forget, I'll put all the widths and stuff in the description. So yeah, and don't worry about this. It is rounded, alright? It doesn't look rounded, but it is rounded. Okay, it might not look rounded right now, but it is rounded. Okay, it is rounded. So don't worry about that. So thanks for watching, guys. Please check out my other tutorials. I'm almost done uploading this video, which was about mountain lion and the release date. I told you the release date. You might want to go look that up. Yeah, so I'll be doing some other videos in the future with Xcode. I said I will, and then I didn't, but I was busy. So I'm going to be doing posting my video of the review of my Canon next. So thanks for watching, guys. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and check out my other videos. Help my channel out. Just starting out, so you know. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. So see you next time.